Education process, bipolar, tripolar, multipolar, lifelong process pay 1 for Odisha B.Ed and Education Honours. Education process, bipolar, tripolar, multipolar, lifelong process. Introduction. Education is not limited to schools or books. It is a continuous process that begins at birth and continues throughout life. It is also a social process involving different people and agencies. The process of education has evolved from bipolar to person to multipolar, many influences. Bipolar process of education. Meaning, the bipolar process includes two main elements: teacher, educator, student, learner. Here, education is seen as a direct interaction between teacher and student. Explanation. The teacher gives knowledge. The student receives it. Focus is on the transfer of knowledge. Limitations. The student is seen as passive. It ignores the role of society and environment. Example, Indian context. In traditional Indian Gurukuls, Guru and Shishya relationship was bipolar. The teacher was the center of all learning. Tripolar process of education. Meaning, the tripolar process includes teacher, student, society, social environment. This theory was given by John Dewey, a famous American educationist. Explanation. The teacher guides. The student learns actively. The society provides values, customs, experiences that influence learning. Education is not preparation for life, it is life itself. John Dewey. Importance. Learner becomes active and responsible. Society plays an important role in shaping attitudes and values. Example, Indian context. Indian classrooms today include lessons on social issues, environment, health, gender equality, showing the role of society in education. Multipolar process of education. Meaning, modern education is a multipolar process. It involves many agencies and influences such as poles agencies, role in education, teacher, formal teaching, student, active participant, society, provides real-life learning, parents, first educators, guide moral values, media, TV, internet, spreads knowledge quickly, peers and friends, help social learning, government and policy, frame syllabus, laws, RTE, NEP. Explanation. A child learns not just in school, but also from home, community, internet, social media, and surroundings. The learner becomes a self-directed explorer. Example, Indian context. NEP 2020 promotes flexible and multi-source learning, digital learning, community participation, and local knowledge. Education as a lifelong process. Meaning, learning is not limited to a particular age, place, or institution. It continues from birth to death and happens in different ways. Types of education in lifelong learning. Type description. Formal education in schools and colleges. Informal education learning from family, society, TV, books. Non-formal education, adult education, skill training, open schools. Importance. Helps people upgrade skills at any age. Supports personal and professional growth. Builds a learning society. Indian examples. Adult Education Mission in Rural India. Skill India Program. Swayam, Diksha, and MOOCs for online learning. 6. Comparison table: bipolar, tripolar, and multipolar. Aspect: bipolar, tripolar, multipolar. Focus: teacher and student. Teacher, student, society. All possible influences on learner. Learner role: passive, active, fully active, independent. Society role: ignored, important, central and diverse. Indian example: traditional Gurukul. Social value education in schools. NEP 2020, online platforms, peer learning. 7. Conclusion: education is a dynamic, evolving process. It started as a simple teacher-student interaction, then included society, and now has become a multipolar and lifelong process with many influences. In today's world, a student learns from teachers, society, parents, technology, and real-life experiences. A teacher must be ready to guide learners in this multidimensional journey. Today's education must prepare students not just for exams, but for life.